Welcome to another video by sirupractice.com. In this video, we are going to be going through a very interesting question. Cassland closed road. This is one of the more tricky questions. Many students struggle with it because of the road closure and the number of turns involved. Let's begin by understanding how to identify a closed road question. For that, let's read the instructions together. Plot a direct route from Martello Street E8, which is our green marker, to Gascoyne Road E9, which is our red marker. We also have an additional instruction here that Cassland Road is closed. In case there is more than one closed road, so you will also have an additional instruction with the name of that road as well. Now let's begin solving this question together. The first thing we should do is to draw a straight line from our green marker to red marker. Then we should identify where the Cassland Road is. So as you can see here that on expressway A106 we have Cassland Road. For our purpose of learning and understanding, let's isolate the Cassland Road. It is not ending here or here. In fact, it is ending at this point where the word road is written. Once we have isolated our closed road, we can start planning our route. A closed road essentially means that we cannot use any section of this road. We cannot access this road, neither we can navigate ourselves from this specific road. It means that we cannot enter Cassland Road and we also cannot cross it using these adjacent streets. Now let's start planning. We should start with these streets to get onto the expressway, and ideally when planning we should try to stick to this straight line as much as possible. So in that scenario it makes sense to go onto this street. But right here you can see that there is a dead end. What exactly is a dead end? A dead end is also a closed road. While the instructions for the closed road itself are provided in the question, a dead end is represented by this symbol right here. What it means is that you cannot cross this line to go on to any of these streets. What I have here on the screen for you is a set of topographical route rules. In our training, we teach all of these rules in details as well as the other common rules. This is how you will pass.
In fact, this is exactly how thousands of our students have easily passed topographical route planning assessment.
Because once you understand how to read different symbols or rules on the map, it becomes very easy for yourself to navigate from your green marker to red marker without much of a trouble. So as here you can see that we have a section named no access, and in this section we have pointed out dead ends. So this is the rule or the symbol of the dead end. A dead end is represented by a line in between both boundaries of the road. What does it essentially means? It means that once you see a line like this, you cannot cross it to go on to the other side of the road. So coming back to the question, now it makes sense that we cannot cross this street to get onto the park road, neither we can go into this street. Therefore, we need to find an alternative. Going back to this expressway, it would make complete sense to continue down on expressway and then make use of the Well Street. Since we cannot go on Cassland Road, so we can take a turn here on Hallcroft Street and then use a bunch of these streets to arrive at our destination. Still, while planning, always be vigilant and careful in recognizing all the symbols and not doing anything which is forbidden. Once you have completed your planning, let's start drawing the actual route. But before that, don't forget to remove all the unnecessary lines we drew while planning for our route. We will begin by taking the first left turn right here. And then let's use this street to arrive at expressway. A very good thing and a habit to adopt is to draw straight, concise, and clear lines. We should always keep a healthy distance between the boundary of the road and the middle of the road. You can do this by either drawing on top of the letters, or if you are coming from the other side, then drawing on the base of the letters. The more neat and clean your lines will be, the higher chances of not making any silly mistakes and also getting maximum marks. Now we have arrived near Cassland Road, and since we cannot enter here, and as per our planning, we will take a turn on Holcroft Street. Here you can see that I have drawn the line in the middle of the road. Yes, that is correct, because this is a one-way road. So every time there is a one-way road or the arrow itself, you can draw the line in the middle. Now here we are still on a one-way road, so we can only follow the direction of the arrow. Right here we can take a turn into this street. We are not interested in exploring this route, so we will exit here. Again, as I previously mentioned, that we should try to draw neat and clean lines, and we should not touch the boundary. Once you have a healthy habit of drawing lines and more practice, you can become very proficient in drawing good routes. This is exactly what we teach in our one-on-one training sessions, specifically custom tailored for each and every student according to their needs. Now here again you can see that we have a one-way road, so I can draw the line in the middle. Once you have completed your routes, a few things to check include that your green marker and your red marker are connected. The other thing you should check is to carefully review your route and trying to find out if you have made any common or silly mistakes. Once you're happy with your work, do not forget to press the stop drawing button. Thank you for watching. We regularly share videos to help you prepare for your PHV driver's license and TfL assessments, including CIRU, speaking and listening, and topographical route planning. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. To learn more, visit our website cirupractice.com, where you will find everything you need to prepare with confidence. We have helped thousands of students pass their tests, many with the scores over 90%. You can see some of their recent pass certificates on our websites. We also offer one-on-one topographical lessons with experienced instructors available in English, Urdu, Hindi, Bangla, Farsi, and Pashto. Don't just take our word for it. We have over 50 genuine Facebook reviews with a 100% positive feedback rate from real students. Also, while on the go, don't forget to follow TfL tests on Facebook. If you have any questions, message us on WhatsApp using the number on your screen, or you can call us directly at 020-3965-7202 or visit our website www.cirupractice.com. We are here to help. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.